this is Meat here. So today we bought from Burger King today for the rest of the afternoon is the large French fries. I still love French fries from Burger King because it's good, much as it was, but not so bad. But we still got the lemon. Oh, this is a ghost pepper chicken fries from Burger King, but it looks to be supposed to be the spicy chicken fries. But we also have some chocolate chip cookies that I have from Burger King. Well, look, and we got the soda fountain that I get from the fountain tree that is a Coca-Cola Freestyle, which is the Barq's Root Beer Vanilla soda. So we're gonna try to see how it tastes of the 4 items that I go to Burger King is today. So we're gonna start with the ghost pepper chicken fries. Okay, it should be spicy or just sweet, but I don't know. Let's see how it tastes of this one. Okay. Very spicy. No, okay, for the soda, Barq's vanilla root beer. Very good. Chicken fry. I mean, the regular French fries. Very good. And let's see how the taste of the chocolate chip cookies. Very good. I love everything. Ooh, whoa, so good. Soda is good. Ghost pepper chicken fries are spicy more than just the firing spicy chicken fries, but it's okay. All done. So that's it for today, everyone. The Barq's Root Beer Vanilla flavored on the Freestyle was rated the 9.1 out of 10, and the spicy chicken fries are 6.2 out of 10. The French fries was rated about 9.4 out of 10, and the chocolate chip cookies are 10 out of 10. So good job. Those comments are going to post on my channel for today. For the remainder of today, I decided to have a good one of their each and everyone who watched on my channel should be subscribed to my channel anytime. So take care now.